Hi everyone, Melissa here, and today I'm going to be showing you a little technique using my airbrush with my Copic marker. I have a piece of Express-It paper here, and I have a B37 Copic marker. And I'm going to put it into my ABS system, and then I'm just going to be airbrushing this piece of paper that I have here. And I'm going to be using some colorless Blender to kind of do a fun technique. So I'm getting my marker prepared on the airbrush system here, and I'm just going to use a crisscross motion with the airbrush. Nothing fancy. Just going to kind of go back and forth like this gently. I'm okay if there's a little bit of striation in my paper. I don't really mind, because I'm going to go ahead and use the colorless Blender to add a fun little technique to this background paper I'm making for my card. This is how you use the airbrush. It's a pretty simple tool to use. You can practice with zooming in and out and see what different kind of patterns you get. I'm going to go back across like this. You can tape it down so it doesn't blow away from the air in the can. Now, once I have a good coat like that, I'm going to take my colorless Blender, which I have just kind of a large bottle of colorless Blender, and I'm going to add some drops to this paper. It's best to let this dry, so I'm going to kind of do this a little bit. There's a thin coat of Copic marker on there, because the colorless Blender works best when Copics are dry. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put, whoops, there it goes, a few drops onto the paper, so it kind of looks like puddles almost. The colorless Blender comes out of here kind of fast, so got to be careful. Any little movement I do makes it shoot out of there. So now I'm just going to let that dry, and it gives it kind of a fun puddle effect. And I'm going to be coloring an image. I'll pull the image up here so you can see it. This Tiddly ink image called Donna, and since it's a fun kind of rain type picture, I thought that I could use a fun background with some splotches on it for my background paper. So this is just a quick fun technique to use, and then I can match my Copic marker as well to the image that is with the background paper. So you can find this image at tiddlyinks.com, and all the Copic supplies can be found at iCopic.com.